Hello, guys. Let's talk about the economy today. As we know that not all the economies are doing fine, and even in India, the markets are seeing red. So is the case with many other countries and economy. So let us talk about Germany today and what update we have from Germany. Germany's central bank has released a statement today saying that Germany's economy is on a downturn after a boom for a number of months. That's right. Germany's economy is going on a downturn after it has been on a rise for some time now. And the reason why the economy is not performing well as it had started to boom is because the government had taken certain restrictions against the pandemic, which is why labor and supply chain distribution has been disrupted. Labor wages are going up, supply chain disruptions are becoming very normal in Germany's economy, and because of these things, the economy is now on a downturn. Germany happens to be one of the leading economies, the leading countries of Europe, and also a leading economy. And because it supplies a lot of materials, a lot of goods, makes a lot of exports to not just European countries but also all the countries around the world. If that country is hit by a downturn, we can very well imagine how the other countries will be affected. So the central bank has released a statement saying that it is not just the case of the economy taking a dip, but the inflation is also expected to raise further. That's something to worry about. Right now, the inflation rate is around 3%, and Bundesbank predicts that it will soar even higher than 3% in the coming few months. And it's not before April or July of 2022 that things will start to become normal. So it will take long time for Germany to get back to normal. And the reason being, supply chain disruptions are becoming very common, not just in Germany but all around the world. I spoke about this regarding China and other economies as well in my other videos, and it seems to be becoming the norm these days. And it has happened because a pandemic has not spared anyone, be it a human being, an individual. It has hit the countries the various uh, big economies very badly, and Germany is one of them. First it was the USA, then it was China. Now we see Germany being hit by it. German officials are very worried about it, and they say that inflation is going to go further up, and it will take time to get normalized, not until the supply chain disruptions start working up, and labor wages have also gone up high due to shortage of labor. That is also something that has to stabilize and get balanced. So once these two start getting stabilized, Germany can expect the economy to start booming back again the way they were doing starting 2021, and when everybody was expecting the economy to go much higher. But because of these two factors mainly, there are other things as well, but these are the two main factors, which is why the economy has gone down. So let's hope for the best with Germany, and I'll keep you updated with more such news articles. Stay tuned. Thank you.